Hi, hello, and welcome to Noodles Monday Aaha, a series on instant noodles. New recipes every Monday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Today, we're gonna cook cheese corn noodles. Let's get into the video. First thing what we will do is we will pre-cook the noodles. So for pre-cooking the noodles, I've taken a pan and I've added 2 glasses of water. Once the water comes to a boil, add 2 blocks of the noodles. Allow the noodles to cook for 1 minute. Once the noodles are cooked, drain the water and set the noodles aside. Now we will prepare the cheesy sauce for the noodles. For that, I have taken a pan, preheat the pan in low flame and add 10 to 15 grams of butter. Allow the butter to melt. Once the butter melts, add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Fry the garlic in the butter so that the flavors of the garlic infuses in the butter. Now add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped onions. Fry it along with the garlic and the butter. Once the onion turns glossy, add 1 bowl of sweet corn. Fry it along with the onions and the garlic. Once the sweet corns are cooked, we will add 1 packet of the seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of plain flour. And mix it well. I've taken 1 cup of milk. I'm going to add the milk in different portions to maintain the consistency of the sauce that we are preparing. So I've added half a cup of milk first and I'm going to mix it well. Now as the sauce thickens, add another portion of the milk. As the milk comes to a boil, the consistency of the sauce would change. Now we need to reduce it to a consistency where the sauce gets coated on the spoon. Now it's time to add cheese. Taken around 15 to 20 grams of cheese and I have chopped it into small pieces. Now add another packet of the seasoning and mix it well. And keep mixing it till the cheese melts. Now the sauce has started to thicken. Now we can see that the sauce is getting coated on the spoon. Now at this point of time, turn off the stove and we will add the noodles that we have pre-cooked and mix it so that the sauce coats the noodles. Ta-da! Your cheesy corn noodles is ready. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.